Hi everyone, welcome to the hashtags Insights for the Entrepreneurs program. So the intention of this conversation is to leave you with an insight that will allow you to create some extraordinary result in your business. So I'm going to talk about various aspects in this series of conversations. Each one is intended to create a new paradigm to cause a breakthrough in your business. As entrepreneurs, we all want to grow faster. We want to accelerate the growth, right? And we want to grow the business as much as we would love to grow. So, how do we do that? That's what I'm going to talk about. The intention of this series is to create that for you. Now, today, I'm going to create something about the 4 vitals that have to be kept in a perfect balance to allow extraordinary growth in our business. So I'm going to talk about the first one today, and the rest will come in the other series. So, what is the first vital that we need to keep in balance to grow the business faster? It is the balance between the constraints and the vision. What do I mean by the balance between the constraints and the vision? Let me share an example from my own experience. When I wanted to build this solution hashtag, I need to build a framework, and I need to build a product, and I need to build a strong leadership team, which requires certain amount of investment and certain level of expertise in leadership. And to get such strong leadership team, strong development team, I need to put certain investment, right? But I have certain constraints. So what happened? I tried to manage within the constraints, tried to get whoever is available within my budget, and then tried to build the product, tried to build the framework and theory. What is the result? What is the impact? The impact is the product is not very qualitative. There are a lot of bugs, and it took double the time than it's supposed to take. And we are not able to actually penetrate the market. Why so? Because I am coming from my constraints. I did not take actions from my vision and create or pull in the resources that are necessary to fulfill my vision. When I realized this, when I started building that ecosystem, very soon, within a couple of months, we got a very senior developer roped in to revamp the entire product. We tied up various industry bodies and associations to create a funnel. All that is because I am coming from my vision than from my constraints. Now, my insight to you is, how much are you operating from your vision? Are you operating from your vision or from your constraints? What is the impact? So that's the insight I want to leave you with for this week. I hope this insight will help you to see something new in your business and cause a breakthrough result. Thank you very much. See you next week. Bye-bye.